Hi everyone, this is Darren from Darren's Tech Tutorials. In this short video, I'm going to show you just how to connect an external display up to your Mac. So if you're like me, I'm a new Mac user from got a MacBook Duo, and just trying to figure out how everything works. So what I'm going to do is I have my external display here is USB-C to HDMI, so I'm going to plug that in. And this will just take a second now, and what will happen is the display should automatically set up for me on my secondary monitor here, which it has done. Now the problem I had is I was unsure of how to get it in the correct configuration. So what you need to do is you go up to your Apple and you go System Settings, and what you do is you just look here for displays. And now we can see I have my two displays. I have my built-in display and I have my Dell monitor. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click arrange, and yeah, I'm just going to put it around here, and that's what works best for me. And then I'll click done. Yeah, and that's it. My monitors are now extended, now in the correct region. I do hope that was helpful. Any issues, please do comment below, and if I can help, as always, I certainly will. Thank you for watching.